Hi, today I'm going to present to you our Mendix project, and this is our second live demo, which demonstrates the retake part of the project. So here we are in the administrator part, and to show our activity prices of the CFO, we have to go to here, and here you can see the activity price of all the standard activities. For example, the narrative therapy is 400, and we can change it from the CFO page. The username is Bora, and here is the homepage of the CFO, which the information and CFO details are shown here. And here you can set or change the price of each standard activity. So for example, if we want to change the narrative therapy from 400 to 1000, we can change it. And afterwards, when we go to the MX admin and go to here, we can see that it is changed. The activity price is changed. If we want to do these changes to the last demo, which concluded Peter Sanders, we can look at Valishoskan's page, view patient, and add the hypnotherapy activity, which you can remember that we added this. And afterwards, if we go to the MX admin and afterwards the administrative part, we can see that the expenses is 25, which this shows that the costs are applicable in the patient information page either. After that, the insurance companies and insurance levels are shown in the administrator part. Here there are 4 insurance companies, and the maximum expenses are shown. This is based on the expenses, and the maximum expenses are shown in here. Afterwards, the show patient with exceed budget button is here, which shows when the insurance cost is exceeded, the patients are shown. But here an error is occurred because there are no patients with the exceeded budget.